The Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, has released crash test ratings for the all-new 2024 Chevy Trax. In the updated moderate overlap front crash test, the Trax received a bottom-tier poor rating. The updated test was put into place in 2022 and includes more stringent requirements compared to the original test, the latter of which was put into place in 1995. The updated test now includes new hybrid 3 crash dummies representing a small woman or 12-year-old child in the second row behind the driver, with the update implemented in response to a higher rate of injuries for passengers seated in the second row. Breaking down the individual metrics of this particular test, the IIHS gave a poor rating for head/neck rear passenger injury measures and a marginal rating for chest rear passenger injury measures. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like this video. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting car reviews.